Hello kitties, today we're going to learn multiplication with beautiful flashcards using our 10 fingers. It's called Magical 9. Are you ready? Let's go. 9 times 1. Now we have our 10 fingers. Hide finger 1. How many fingers before finger 1 is 0? How many fingers after finger 1 is 9? 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2. Now let's hide finger 2. How many fingers do we have before finger 2? Is 1. How many fingers do we have after finger 2? Is 8. So 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3. Now let's hide our third finger. How many fingers do we have before finger 3? It's 2. How many fingers do we have after finger 3? Is 7. So 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4. Now let's hide our finger 4. How many fingers do we have before finger 4? Is 3. How many fingers do we have after finger 4? Is 6. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5. Now let's hide our fifth finger. How many fingers do we have before finger 5? Is 4. How many fingers do we have after finger 5? Is 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6. Now let's hide our sixth finger. How many fingers do we have before 6? We have 5. How many fingers do we have after 6? We have 4. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7. Now let's hide our seventh finger. How many fingers do we have before 7? We have 6 fingers. How many fingers do we have after 7th finger? We have 3 fingers. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8. Now let's hide our 8th finger. How many fingers do we have before finger 8? We have 7 fingers. How many fingers do we have after finger 8? We have 2 fingers. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9. Now let's hide our finger 9. How many fingers can you see before finger 9? We have 8 fingers. How many fingers can you see after finger 9? We have 1 finger. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 10. Now let's hide our 9th finger. How many fingers can you see before finger 10? We have 9 fingers. How many fingers can you see after finger 10? We have 0 finger. 9 times 10 is 90. Great job! Today you have learned Magical 9 using your 10 fingers. Keep practicing. Until next time.
On Kids Safari TV!
9, oh what a rhyme, oh what a rhyme. 9 logs stacked up to the sky. 9 balloons flying way up high. From 1 to 9, that's the way. Let's count aloud and start the play. Magical 9s, magical 9s. We're counting all the time. Magical 9s, magical 9s. Learning is so fine. Magical 9s, magical 9s. We're counting all the time. Magical 9s, magical 9s. Learning is so fine. 9 little ducks swimming in a line. 9 little acorns by a pine. Count them with us, come along. 9 is the magic in every song. Clap your hands, let's stomp our feet. 9 new friends we're gonna meet. Counting 9s make hearts complete. Music and numbers can't be beat. Magical 9s, magical 9s.